Hello and welcome to another How to OU at USU. It's me, Lewis Sanchez. Today we will be looking at how to make a profile image that is 400 by 600 pixels. The reason we do this is so that way all of our images will always line up. So as you can see on my dev site here, we have a bunch of different little pictures of turtles and none of them are quite the same size. And on a static home page, it's for goofing off, that's perfectly fine. But when it comes to an actual real live production grade directory that is representing the personnel of your academic unit or college or department or wherever you are, you should probably have a consistent size for all of those images. It's just a best practice. It makes you look like you know what you're doing. And so I'll be going over how to do that today. The way we'll do that, we'll open Photoshop. You can see I already got it open, and we will click good old create new, and then we will go 400 by 600. You can see I've already done that. So you just change your width to 400 pixels by 600 pixels. Resolution 72 works really well for us and our uses. So because we're doing this for web, we'll click create. That gives us this beautiful blank canvas. Now I'm making my profile picture for Mr. Sea Turtle right here. As you can see, this is not 400 by 600. It is very different. I have the original art from this photo. They have the original photo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload their photo. Right there, Sea Turtle. Not even upload. I'm just going to place embedded. So I did that by going up to File, Place Embedded. And then I pick the file, and then that's Sea Turtle, right? And then we're just gonna start upping the size until I get something that's big enough. Now, if it's kind of a wonky picture, yeah, it's gonna have to crop a little bit. So you're gonna have to make a couple of decisions and stuff. If the person absolutely doesn't like it, have them send you another nicer photo. So that way you'll have that to work with. So, yeah, part of Mr. Sea Turtle's shell is not displaying. If Mr. Sea Turtle just absolutely can't live with that, then Mr. Sea Turtle will need to send me a better photo. So reach out to Mr. Sea Turtle and be like, hey, send me a better photo, please. Cool. And then once you get it cropped the way you want it to, so it fills up the full canvas, make sure it fills up the full canvas, because having weird, awkward white space on the outer edges is terrible. Go ahead and place that, and then you're done. You have the image. Then all you have to do is save it for web. So you push Control Alt Shift Save S. That'll save it for web. You can pick your settings and stuff. We'll click save, and we'll go and we'll just save this on the desktop of this computer. And this is Sea Turtle, right? And we will add 400x600 to our file name, so that way we know that this is the fixed version. Save that. And then we are good to upload that as needed. We can also go to the actual file and confirm, yeah, that looks way better. And then when we go to our faculty profile pages and stuff, that'll look professional and well done and not be a bunch of different random sizes. Cool, and that is the basics of how to make a profile image 400 by 600 in Photoshop for OU Campus. If you're wondering why I chose 400 by 600, it's because that's the default that OU Campus already uses. So if you fail to put an image in and the default condition gets triggered, that's the size that it's going to use. And so better to mirror what the default does and have everything at least look consistent. Even if there's a missing picture and it just has that placeholder picture, that's the default, than to have a bunch of random wonky sizes that just look silly. So, okay, cool. Thanks. Bye.